open toe quilt set high shank using the free motion foot. The open toe free motion foot allows you to do free motion techniques with an unobstructed view of your needle. To install the foot, first loosen the presser foot screw and remove the existing foot and ankle from your machine. Set the free motion foot in place so the bar at the top goes over the needle screw. Then retighten the screw. Lower your feed dog. You may also choose to use the optional straight stitch needle plate. For free motion stippling, simply choose a straight stitch and begin. It's best to run the machine at a fairly fast pace. You control the stitch length by moving your fabric. The clear open-toe design of the foot makes it easy to see where you've been. You can also do a technique called thread painting, where you use stitching to highlight parts of a print. Our example flower was fussy cut and then appliqued. Now use your free motion stitching to outline the pieces you want to emphasize.